What are some woodworking hobbies? Have you ever thought about how woodworking can be a fun and rewarding hobby for teenagers? Woodworking is not just about creating items from wood. It's a fantastic way to develop skills and boost mental health. Let's take a closer look at some woodworking hobbies that are perfect for teens. First, building small furniture and functional items is a great starting point. Teens can create simple projects like laptop trays, small tables, or benches. These items are useful in daily life and give a wonderful sense of accomplishment when finished. Plus, they can be customized to fit personal style. Next, crafting decorative items is another exciting option. Teens can make wooden lanterns, picture frames, or unique wall art. These projects allow for creative expression and help personalize living spaces. It's a wonderful way to showcase creativity while working with hands. Creating outdoor and garden items is also popular among teens. Projects like bird feeders, planters, or even steps for pets can be both fun and practical. These items encourage a connection with nature and can be shared as gifts or donated to community spaces. It's a great way to give back while enjoying the process. Making toys and games is another engaging woodworking hobby. Teens can design wooden toys, puzzles, or small boxes. These beginner-friendly projects combine fun with skill building. They can be perfect for personal use or sharing with friends and family. Lastly, experimenting with wood art techniques can add an artistic twist to woodworking. Teens can try string art on wooden canvases or paint finished wood pieces. This blends craft with fine art and opens up new creative avenues. Starting with small, manageable projects helps build confidence. Teens will learn basic woodworking skills like measuring, cutting, sanding, and assembling. These skills are not only practical but also beneficial for mental well-being. Woodworking provides a focused, hands-on activity that can reduce stress and boost self-esteem. Engaging in woodworking hobbies encourages healthy habits like goal setting and problem solving. These are essential skills for personal development during the teenage years. Overall, woodworking offers a creative outlet that combines practical skills with artistic expression, supporting both mental health and personal growth. So, if you are a teen looking for a hobby, consider picking up some tools and getting started with woodworking.